So when your Wi-Fi is gone, you need some other way to like play music. That other way is on your iPad 2 that's fucking too old to even update Spotify. But I mentioned but I got to work somehow. So yeah, pretty slow. But it's not that what we're after. It's this or the raw code. This is a task system. If I quickly just run it, there's a lot of Danish right there. I will not be reading it all out. Get a good translator. Good translator. I will actually be doing this over here. Danish again. Typing in my profiles, looking at my tasks. Oh, I can complete a task already. I can complete task number 1. Boom. Okay, what else can I say? I can, oh, I've already gotten food today too, and so on and so forth. But this is all the code. Plus a bit of extra stuff. But yeah, day 4 of 100 days of coding. This is what we have. Goodbye.